In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the echo effect on TikTok. So once you've loaded up TikTok, the first thing you want to do is you want to tap on this little plus icon at the bottom in the center to create a new TikTok video. So I'm going to tap on that. That will open up the TikTok camera, and then before you get to the echo effect, you actually have to record your TikTok. So I'll select a 15-second TikTok for this demonstration. Then I'll hit the record button to record a short TikTok. Okay, and then I've released the record button, and now to get to the echo effect, I'm going to tap on this little tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. And then you'll notice an option at the right hand side. You have all those options. One of them is voice effects. If you can see that, it says voice effects. Tap on that. That will open up all the different voice effects that you can use, and then you just need to scroll to the right hand side. Now, I didn't record any audio, but you'll see the echo effect right over here. If you have audio within your TikTok video, if you're talking or something, and then you tap on echo, it will make these sound echoey. And that's pretty much it. You just need to select that. Don't think it's letting me select it because there's no audio within this TikTok video, but you would just select that and then it would be applied. Then you can go back and you can edit your TikTok video however you would like. Tap the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner again. Then tap on next at the bottom right and then post your TikTok. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.